We want to choose the modality that is healthy and appropriate for us. We don't want to choose something that is really ineffective or makes us feel worse. So initially, this might be restorative movement, this might be restorative breathing, this might be mobility exercises versus pushing yourself or cardio stuff, yeah? So it really just depends on the person. So we want modality first. We want to start with less is more. And so basically what this means here is consistency over intensity. And once you get this right, it's unbelievable what can happen. We have clients who literally start with absolutely nothing, and within 6 months, they're going on hikes again, they're feeling great, they're going on bike rides. So we've got modality, we've got less is more. We want flexibility here. And that just basically means that we're tuning into our body. We know our sweet spot, but we're also adaptable. So let's say we don't sleep that well, or there's a bit of stress going on at home at the moment, then we usually back it off a little bit. We have a less is more approach to that, and then we build back into it. And that's just really important. So you don't want to just like rush into it and go from zero to hero overnight. And then the fourth thing here is you want to progress appropriately. You know, we help our clients with this every single day inside our program. So it's easier for them because they've got full trainings on everything, when to move, when not to move. There's a whole 30-minute training on modality, what to choose based off where you're at and what you want to focus on, what your goals are. And then we actually have a beginner, intermediate, advanced movement program, depending on where you're at. And then even before that, we help all our clients make sure that they've got their daily routine structure and baseline sorted before they even think about movement. And once you understand this for yourself, this whole section here, things just work better. It's like a harmonious cycle of functionality and progression. So choose your modality, what's appropriate for you right now. Just think the word appropriate basically is the key here. And you'll get feedback from your body too. Then we go here, which is having a less is more approach, consistency over intensity. We're having flexibility within our baseline. So we know what to do on the not so good days, but we also know what to do on our good days. And that way you just know what you're doing. And so you have a plan and you wake up and you just stick to the plan. And when you're consistent with it, you start getting results. And then you need to know when to progress appropriately. And again, there's a little bit of an art to that. And this isn't just progressing with your physicality, it's progressing with your cognitive levels too, of what you're doing with your brain every single day.